This video will cover display and connectivity settings on the T-Rex. This includes adjusting the visual settings and connecting your T-Rex to the internet using Ethernet or Wi-Fi. To adjust the visual settings on the T-Rex, select Configure from the top navigation bar, followed by Settings, and then Display. From this page, you can improve the sunlight readability of the T-Rex by enabling high contrast mode. This will invert the display colors, making it easier to see in bright outdoor conditions. To adjust the screen brightness, simply drag the backlight brightness slider until a desired level is reached. There are two ways to connect your T-Rex to the internet. This is a requirement for systems updates, activating licenses, emailing test reports, and downloading the latest GPS data. The first method is to connect the T-Rex directly over Ethernet. For this, ensure that an Ethernet cable is connected to the top Ethernet port on the T-Rex. From there, navigate to Configure, select Settings, and then Ethernet. From this page, either enter your own IP address and subnet in a CIDR format, or select the DHCP box to have one automatically assigned to you. Once these procedures have been run, the Ethernet connection will be active. The second method to achieve internet connectivity is to connect over Wi-Fi. To establish a Wi-Fi connection, the access point on the T-Rex must first be disabled. To disable the access point, navigate to Configure, then Settings, and select Access Point. From this page, ensure that the Enable Access Point box is deselected. Once the access point has been disabled, navigate to Configure, select Settings, and then Wi-Fi. From this page, you can enter up to 2 SSIDs and accompanying passwords. You can also leave the passwords blank if you're using an open network. Similar to the Ethernet setup, enter your own IP address and subnet, or select the DHCP box to have one automatically assigned to you. Once the configuration is complete, ensure that the Enable Client button is selected. The small internet icon on the bottom corner will notify you once a connection is established. You should now feel familiar with the display and connectivity settings on the T-Rex.